This one's for all my bears out there. You see that chart? Going parabolic. You know it can't last forever, baby. There's only one place I need you to go. Listen.
I've been watching you since the opening bell, casting your hypnotic green candle spell. You're flying so high, way above the mean, the most overbought chart I've ever seen. I clicked the sell button, girl, I'm shorting you now. I got a feeling you're about to turn around somehow. My stop loss is set, but my heart is beating fast. This beautiful setup, oh, I need it to last. Oh, won't you take me to VIR?
Yeah, that's where I need to go.
Oh, baby, take me to VIR. Bring that price down,
Nice and slow.
I see the seller stepping in, knocking at your door. Just a little healthy pullback, that's all I'm asking for. So take me to VIR, boy. Cause girl, I wanna see that profit and more. The buying volume's fading, oh, it's getting weak. You're trying to push higher past the morning peak, but those little red candles, they're starting to show, telling me a story that all the bears know. Don't you fake me out, girl, don't you start to squeeze. Just look at the indicators, baby, won't you please? Don't you break my heart with a new high of day. My profit target's waiting, it's not that far away. Oh, won't you take me to VIR pole?
Yeah, that's where I need to go.
Oh, baby, take me to VIR.
Bring that price down, nice and slow.
I see the seller stepping in, knocking at your door. Just a little healthy pullback, that's all I'm asking for. So take me to VIR. Cause girl, I wanna see that profit and more. Yeah. They call it the magnet, the line of control, where institutional money can make a trader whole. I ain't asking for a crash, I ain't asking for the floor. Just come back to that average and I'll be out the door. That volume weighted price, yeah, it's looking so sweet to me.
Come on, baby, sell it off.
Oh, bring it down, bring it down, bring it down for me now. Oh, baby, take me to VIR me. I gotta cover my short, don't you see? Oh, I see the seller stepping in, knocking at your door. Just a little healthy pullback, that's all I'm asking for. So take me to VIR way. Cause girl, I wanna see that profit and more. Take me there, baby, oh, to the VIR green. That beautiful golden line on my screen. Come on, just a few more ticks, yeah, that's the way. Let me see that green. Oh, take me to VIR. Don't. Yeah, my stop loss, got it, that's the top tick tilter. Saw the price reject, now my heart's getting colder. Watched it fall without me, yeah, soldier with no prize. I see red on the candle and red in my eyes, yeah. Top tick tilter, fill me at the high. Now I'm popping nothing, sitting on the side. Should've been a milli, now it's just a ghost. The market played me dirty, yeah, it hurt the most. Woke up this morning, saw the setup, it was clean. Overextended daily, yeah, short seller's dream. Put my order on the book, risk was calculated plan. Felt that rush inside my veins, had the world inside my hand. Then the candle started pushing paranoia in my soul. A wick came out of nowhere, made my P&L a hole. Just one single tick, a whisper, then it slammed right back to earth. Now I'm watching all this money money, questioning my worth. Yeah, my stop loss got hit, that's a top tick tilter. Saw the price reject, now my heart's getting colder. Watched it fall without me, yeah, a soldier with no prize. I see red on the candle and red in my eyes, yeah. Top tick tilter, fill me at the high. Now I'm popping nothing, sitting on the side. Should've been a million, now it's just a ghost. The market played me dirty, yeah, it hurt the most. It's a cruel world, it's trading game, a different type of pain. Like you text your girl, I love you, and she leaves you in the rain. Saw the profit flash before me, then it vanished from the screen. This ain't a simulation, this is agony, it's keen. Top tick tilter, now I'm just a watcher. Yeah, it hurts the most. Gone.
I see you shining, baby, on the screen. Another rocket launch, a manufactured scene. The chatter's buzzing loud, the retail's buying in. They think they found the gold, where do I even begin? Volume's climbing high, charts are looking green. But I got a different vision, a different kind of scene. My fingers on the trigger, my conviction's wearing thin. Cause everybody's got to end. They're talking moon and stars, a stratospheric flight. But I'm here in the shadows, waiting for the fading light. They built it up so high on hopes and empty claims. Just a house of cards playing dangerous games. Oh, I'm waiting for the halt down, baby, hear that siren blow. When the bids all disappear and the panic starts to grow. That glorious halt down, watch it drop and fall. From the penthouse to the basement, gonna lose it all. Pumping, pumping for an offering you'll release. Then silence in the market, no more happy peace. Just a swift, sweet dive from that precarious peak. Oh, that glorious halt down is the moment that I seek. Saw this play 100 times, it's nothing new to me. Flashing news and promises for all the world to see. No fundamental reason, just pure and empty hype. While the insiders are prepping for the final perfect strike. Call me cynical, baby, that's just fine with me. But I see the truth behind what they want you to see. You play the hype machine, you sold them all a lie. Now it's time to watch your little paper kingdom die. That precarious peak, oh, that glorious halt down is the moment that I seek. Yeah, waiting for it.
All right, traders. Good morning. Good morning. Hope you guys are doing well this Tuesday morning. We got some volatility coming back yesterday. Of course. NCI was the toy. The toy. We called that in here. We knew that thing was just going to be the junker toy of the day. Did I think she was going to hit lows like that and reclaim? No, but we have seen that a few times, like the Lazarus effect. Mr. Crow, you in here? The last NCI Lazarus effect indeed on NCI yesterday. God, man, these people are. It's the over leveraging, oversizing, over conviction. Uzos were talking about too much size and chop. Yeah, that was a chop fest yesterday. Good morning, Charlie, in the building. Tuna, your newsletter is awesome. Good work on that. Was reviewing it this morning, and it's a little bit of everything. How can the traders sign up for that newsletter if they haven't already? But essentially, he's the Tuna AI signal is going to point you in the direction of like decent looking scalp swings, intraday trades. I did a really good job with that. A good newsletter to get you going in the morning, drink some coffee, read the Tuna newsletter. Love it, Smoke Tuna. Good work. James, TLIH. Yeah, that's like the top percent penny gainer this morning. TLIH, 10 leagues, international holdings. Um, and they just issued guidance, revenue guidance, TLIH, but it's in a flag right now. It's holding up. This is kind of like Crow's bread and butter. These penny plays that he's been trading lately. It reminds me of GFAI, which just it followed that 52-week low theme. GFAI, which this thing's popping up. Looks like she wants a dollar. GFAI. So let's get to the war room, guys. I got something brewing on my mind. I really want to start a show for trading. I'm gonna pitch it to Trade the Pool here soon. I want to start a show called Looking for a Trader. And I really want to find the best traders out there. Now, again, there's like prop firms essentially, they've kind of they're the middleman now where you're not restricted by capital. Like you can become a great trader, make a living off of this starting from essentially nothing. And that's what I'd like to do, where there'd be like a really nice cash prize, essentially, or funded accounts or credits or whatever. But you take like the competitions they do, and I take them a step further, where I'm like, okay, let me take the top few people from these competitions, and I want to bring them like head to head uh, into a live trading battle scene where I'm like commentating, and we got a couple people head to head, and you just battle it out live. I think that'd be really fun. You guys get to hear my little rants, and there's always something I'm brainstorming, brewing in the back of my mind. But, anyways, if you have any ideas on that too, I'd love to hear them because I want to take it and run with it, baby. I want to find the best traders out there. Again, regardless of capital, regardless of like current account sizes, because there's great traders who are young, don't have the capital, maybe prop traders, maybe it's a trader that's trading a lot of capital. It doesn't matter. We bridge the gap. We bridge the gap essentially with this kind of a competition. Let's head to the war room, guys. Head on to the war room. Been watching all the weekend pods. Awesome. Great. Yeah, thanks, Tuna. So I did pitch that over to Trade the Pool as well. I was like, hey, look, if you want me to bring that over, of course, Josh and I can do that on our channels, but we might do it on Trade the Pool's channel this Friday night. I got working on that. Got a guy helping me with that, but we might do it. It's either going to be on my channel or Trade the Pools. Either way, the Friday night live streams are the best, bringing traders together and just hanging out because we need that. We need the community to come together because we're our own we're our own breed. We need a community center, AA meetings, trading AA meetings. So VIR Charlie, yeah, that was on earnings. Right. And then yesterday into the close, you can see based on my chart, like I didn't draw these lines yesterday. This is the beauty of think or swim because I've had this for so long. Like these lines were just here and look, serve perfectly that resistance into the over 13. Again, trade over under whole dollar areas, guys. Don't just stop right on the whole dollar break. Use over under, ladder them, ladder your stops. So VIR on earnings tends kind of that looks like where it's gravitated towards. Better than expected Q4. Not really a short for me because on earnings, especially better than expected, I kind of avoid those shorts, but 10 might be the magnet there. If we look left on VIR, what are we going to see? I mean, 8 is really strong. 8 is really strong support. 10's definitely a level here too. That's why we always look left, guys. Predict right. So, yeah, I'm not really sure. They just released news on new news on a prostate cancer drug. Okay. New news. All right, guys, what is our leading gapper this morning? Probably, I mean, the TLIH as far as percent gain is the leading gapper. I'm not so interested in these penny names, but definitely the leading gapper this morning. LRMR, a little more exciting. It's in that price range that most of the gurus are going to be looking at because they get the leverage over the dollar. LRMR, this is what they come out with this morning. Breakthrough therapy designation for lead compound. Lead compound. Breakthrough therapy designation. Now, LRMR, $4 has been tough. It tested it like 6-7 times this morning. Uzo mentioned in the chop on this. Yes. We got to size down a little bit, guys. Let some of these play, breathe a little bit. Because then you get an idea like, look, if you're sized a little small on this, let's say you're taking the long for the 4 break, and then you can tell it's rejecting, you're no longer really going to size it. You're going to take it off a little early. Hey, look who we got in the building. Mr. Barron. Or from Friday night's live stream, Byron. Mr. Barron. That seemed to tilt you. People getting Mr. Barron's name wrong. Not in here. Slowest day in like a year working rhyme. Yeah, it's been yesterday. Pre-market was real slow. Today, yeah, rhyme. This was like back burner for me, and I took it off the list, and now it's getting a little pop. Look, out. So they did come out with some news. Just a little. Actually, just came out with some news. This happens to me, Baron. I literally will take a ticker off my watch list, and then hey, Tuna. Yeah, Tuna was going back watching all the Friday night podcasts. Yeah, Baron's always got he's smart cookie there. Smart. Helping us out on the Friday night live streams, hanging out, talking psychology, which I know him and I, we love that conversation. So Algorithm says Semicab awarded pilot program with Coca-Cola India to launch pilot transportation program on Semicab's collaborative freight platform. Sometimes smart's the problem. Yeah, no. Yeah, it's not the smartest traders. It's the most disciplined ones that succeed. Really is. But Barron's in tune with what he's got to do. It's just the sizing there. Sizing. RIME, getting a little heat. Guys, if we could get like an LW to wake back up again, oh my God, this thing's at 40 cents. I saw it pop this morning. I'm like, and I looked at what happened 20 days ago. I'm like, please send an LW. The one that Mike, you guys remember Mike from Friday night's live stream over on Josh's channel? I know you don't forget him. Elp W, he was stuck in that long all day, but man, that thing, can we wake back up the market with a play like that? Only phase 1, Charlie. Yeah, phase 1, not too much hype, there. Mike got the mic. Yeah, that was a fun time. All right, VIR heavy under 10. PayPal, got a halt midday, guys. Not really small cap play, but definitely some volatility on PayPal. GFAI, again, I think I mentioned this one wants $1. I did not go over CDIO. CDIO is in probably the chart of the day here, CDIO. This is in an ascending triangle multi-day. I think this was on your newsletter too, Tuna. CDIO. I believe this was. This is looking good. I mean, decent looking pattern here on the multi-day time frame. Ascending triangle against that 320 and breaking out of that. So 320 could be your level of support now. But CDI, I mean, this is a really pretty looking chart here. CDI, I know Rhyme's waking up right now too, but yeah, Mr. Barron, a little sleepy pre-market this morning. Fades is in the house. More
Good
Fades.
morning, fellas.
Coffee going.
Death before market without the green team.
I know.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
man. Got some tea going this morning, some green tea, some herbs. Switch it up a little bit.
Nice. Nice.
Ready for the market. I actually still have a little baby swing on NCI short, but I'm a little sketched out at the bell. I'm not gonna lie.
Hang on. Okay. Is this from your original position?
Wait a minute. Oh,
What?
I still have a couple hundred shares, but I was working it yesterday after hours. But dude, what a junker! Oh my God, that price action, guys. That price action is just, it hurts my eyes to look at that chart yesterday. How many people blew accounts yesterday? Look at that. It's just so disgusting.
Oh, yeah, yeah. This was for
Just,
anybody
uh,
that was not look, I even put on the watch list that I sent out yesterday, I said NCI is a play. If you're wrong, do not stay wrong because
mhm.
we called this being the toy, and yeah, this was nasty action. This hitting lows like that from mid threes all the way back up to reclaiming 9. That is nasty.
Yeah,
Absolute nastiness.
freaking brutal. So,
Oh
but
my god,
I did short it
ALU.
after hours though.
Shit.
Oh wow.
Ugh. This was my top hangover play, ALUR. I think they
No
offering.
way. Oh God.
Freaking offering.
Damn. And then Adam is still in play. Where's it at right now? They pop that thing back up? Oh God, they have a little bit, but that 6.4 has presented itself as a barrier. So I mean, that one, give it a day to breathe, reality to set in. Is it gonna? It's kind of like a bear pattern right now, right? Like maybe stair stepping down. You got that short tuna?
Good job, Tuna, if you caught the short. Yeah,
Wow.
I sent it out to trade the bull in Discord as one of my
And then you didn't get
backside.
to take it yourself.
No, I can't.
Everyone
I
got it,
can't.
and then you did.
Well, I mean, I'm happy
Yeah.
I'm happy for Tuna and whoever caught that, but it's so like these are illiquid. It's the
Mhm.
5% is challenging. I mean, it's
Yeah.
you gotta just I don't know, man. It's all good. It's all
Yeah.
good.
Yeah, that can
Good work,
definitely be
Tuna.
a problem with those backside plays.
Good work, Mr. Tuna.
Right.
VNDA is a good looking chart too. I mean, it's kind of channeling. This was earnings yesterday, and 820 and 780 are the levels right now. So
Okay.
anything below and above could provide an opportunity there for the long or short there.
Mhm.
Crow, I thought about you this morning. In as far as what ticker is it? TLIH. You on that one? This your bread and butter, Crow. TLIH. Rhyme is still, yeah, Barron's on Rhyme. Dude, Rhyme's waking up. They came out with news a few minutes ago. They got 2.5 as a tough level.
Yeah, that one's it's sold off a lot, but it could get back in play for sure.
Yeah, yeah, it's gonna be tough levels to reclaim. I still am eyeballing Adam with the 5 offering. It still looks good against 6.2s, but it's just not panicking. Not
Right. Yeah, that one's I'm gonna be stalking that one. And NCI, look at that spread right now. It's just so gross, dude. Like, why is that spread so bad? Oh my God.
BDMD, why are we climbing back up on that?
Oh, good lord. More pain for BDMCD.
Is okay. Yeah, what else are you looking at?
I'm gonna take a look at the 5-day chart and see if anything's shining right now. It's feeling a little slower again today. Eerie market we're in. I feel like today, let me take a look at the NASDAQ again as well.
Heck yeah, tuna. That's an awesome trade. 180 down. That is awesome.
Yeah, that's beautiful when it just works out that clean. Literally like just butter melting, right? Like just beautiful.
Yeah, and the Magic 20 hit yesterday. I had it on Fade Watch. VIR broke the 980 level. Okay. Yeah, VIR.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think this is a clean short though. It's good earnings. Eight's a really nice level. It may what I'm thinking it would since it's capitulated already so much. I'm thinking it will probably draw in some shorts and it rebound somewhere between 8 and 10. I know that's a large range
Yeah.
there, but I don't think it's such a clean short. Being on earnings too, likely even trap, which maybe it's doing right now. Allure was
Mm-hmm.
my top watch out, but now I'm unsure. I mean, CDIO 3.2. I mean, that's a really pretty looking chart here. It's up quite a bit, CDIO, but I want to see what if 3.2 is going to hold. It's not a bad long against 3.2, but if it cracks under that, I like the short.
Right.
Battle has tested 5 several times.
Let's
Here's the
see.
trend BATL's on. It's kind of heavy on its bottom trend, and Battle's got decent rim down too. I actually do like this chart, BATL. It's right. It kind
Yeah.
of looks inverse head and shoulderish, but it's real heavy on this 420. So if it cracks down and heads towards 4, we could see that thing start fading.
Mm-hmm. The only expensive one in play really is VIR, VIR.
Hmm.
Everything's slower on those daily pops. As far as the 5-day list, SNSC floater,
Yeah.
RXT, Palantir grinder.
Here's the bell, guys. Let's see where they're going to flock today. NCI was the flocker yesterday. Who's going to be the
Yeah.
flocker today?
Yeah, I took most off, so I'm just gonna see how it reacts at bell. Because who knows? I mean, that thing, man, the volatility with that thing has been just ridiculous.
Yeah. Yeah, Tuna's got a newsletter which is really good. I think you'll like it, Fades. He's just
Yeah.
get your email he set out there
Okay.
and he'll
Cool.
start sending it to you.
Yeah. Sweet. I'll yeah, I can message you or post it.
Oh
Yeah.
man.
So just watching NCI and Adam right now, bro. I think I'm gonna take a starter in Adam again because I do like this trade, to be honest. Ah, God, the spread's just gross. What is this?
I know. It's a tough one. It's a tough one. I've taken a few losses on it, so I'm not
Right.
Allure Allure is giving a little dead cat bounce off 120. It might be providing a decent entry. Again, they just did their offering at
The
a dollar
spreads.
15
The spreads are actually not matching up with Webull and Trade the Pool right now. At Webull, it says it's tighter, but Trade the Pool, it's wider. Usually it mirrors each other. That's
on
kind of
Adam.
weird. On Atom, yeah. And then NCI, let me see. NCI is getting real tight here. But yeah, the spread's not the same either. It's like worse than it was before. It could just be bell lag, but that's interesting. Yeah, the spread's like not matching like it used to.
I'm gonna put a couple orders out on
Give it a
Allure
few minutes.
just in case she spikes up like one high 130s, low 140s. Well, I'm gonna put a few orders out just in case we get a little action.
It closed your position when the bell opened, Tuna?
Oh, it shouldn't have. That was a. You sure you didn't have any orders out?
Yeah, I'm just taking a starter and Atom, and I got a little bit in NCI as well, guys. Just small right now at Bell, but they're both like kind of sleepier, low key heavy. So let's see. I mean, NCI, if it doesn't get all the toy, like it's probably going to give up a dollar or two, right? I mean, what did it touch? Like three something? Touched like three something the other day, yesterday. So
Yeah,
if they're not going to
it's
pump
getting yeah. If
the three, you can come.
if the big boys are off of it, she ain't moving. I mean, that thing it looks stuck. NCI, it just looks like algos are turned off today. Hey,
Yeah,
battles.
so we got to see what, you know.
Hey, look at battle. Battles on alert right now, guys. It's cracking under previous close and
Okay.
headed down towards 4 right now. BATL.
Interesting. Okay. Good call. And then, yeah,
Spreads nuts.
Adam, the longer, you know, we talked about six, right? Yesterday it was kind of churning above six. Now, if it's churns below six, that's going to be telling. So we'll see. It's Bell, you know, anything can happen.
I like battle a lot here, but spreads way off.
Yeah, it's like the spreads have been worse than could just be a Bell thing. But let me see what I'm seeing on. So for Weeble, I got 375393. So it's the same for Battle as Weeble. But NCI and Atom were off earlier. Let me check them now. So NCI on TTP, I got, okay, that's accurate again. Atom, they're kind of, are they going to slowly walk it down? Let's see. You can see a big spike here still. It's early. It's just sudden, like Kevin said, it's like, are the big boys done with it with NCI? Or they want to, you know,
I have an
continue
order out
to
on battle up in the mid nines, 395 if it pops up. RPGL is a halt that's about to resume, but that's really no volume there. And Pud, dude, Rich Sparkles went into a halt.
God, dude, don't. Where are they at? Oh my God. Baron's long, Rich Sparkles. Good God. Nah, I'm just kidding.
I mean, look, if that's
Hey man, if that's the play of the day, the soup of the day, then you want to have some.
exactly.
Oh boy, I love it.
Yeah, let's take a look at Rich Sparkles. Rich Sparkle. Yeah, guys, like it's been 2 weeks since LW and TCGL. Like it's, I mean, we had a little action. Yeah, I mean NCI yesterday. Yeah, a little action, but I think traders are ready to get this market lit back up.
Mm-hmm.
I know Mike was at least from Friday. LRMR at $4 retesting for LRMR. I mean, look, this is like Seventh test here.
Right. Yeah, this spread on NCI is ugly. 30 cents. Give me a break, dude.
It really feels like LRMR is going to at least get over 4. Whether it holds, I don't know. You got to play the over-under on it. But
Mhm.
this test right here is likely going to grab its liquidity, I'd imagine. Dude, we have a lot of halts going on right now. Kind of
BDMD looks like it's kind of rejected. BDMD. It's up 15% in 5 days. Like, is that the rejection? BDMD?
FGL halted too. That's the other junker. ANPA FGL. That's kind of following suit. All right, LRMR still holding right here, right around this 4. Again, the liquidity is going to be up over 4. So let's see if it can sustain. There's a lot of tight. It's just a tough resistance, a ceiling of it on the past chart
Mhm.
history for LRMR.
NCI getting a pump. Let's see if they're going to follow through with it, guys. So I'll be looking to maybe add into some short, but we'll see how strong they can get it to pump, right?
They gonna toy with her today, huh?
Well, let's see if they're going to pump it much more than this, or if this is the pump. This could be it. It could go another dollar or two up. This ticker's just irrational. From yesterday's action, it's almost like an untradeable name, really. With that kind of manipulation, it's like,
Yeah.
yeah, money can be made, but a lot of money would be lost. So,
Yeah, get in, get out. It's the theme there. So
mm-hmm.
LRMR still knocking on the 4's door, guys. It's almost like there's a hidden seller there, but that's absorbing a lot of this.
On which one? LMR?
LRMR, yeah. It's not the lowest flow ticker either. I think it's like 48 million. So here's 4. We figured it was gonna test for. Yeah, Charlie, real key level left of the chart here.
Not, I don't know what happens to
Rich Sparkles is going to open up in like 30 seconds. We'll see if volume goes into that name. 4 still giving some trouble.
Mulek halted up. Good God.
Huh? Really?
Mulek, he halted up. Or it looks like it.
Oh, we are having a few of these names like that one. Yeah, Mulek. It looks like, wow, dude. Yeah, they could get Mulek going today. That was back burner. All right, ANPA is about to resume, guys. 11:30. She's going to resume it. All right, AMPA's going into another halt. ANPA. Got a few things to watch right now. ANPA Rich Sparkles, this one right here. That was at $43 last week, mind you. So and before that, a couple weeks ago, it was at 80 some dollars. So we could have a little sympathy balance here. And before that, it was $180. If you guys don't recall. So hey, this is reminiscent of what? SMX. Remember SMX had a random spike like a couple weeks ago, back up to $100 after its sell-off. Yeah, look at this. It was like a couple weeks ago, 40 up to 100. It's been fading back off. So I mean, we could get a little bounce like that with AMPA. That's reminiscent of the SMX kind of play.
Mm-hmm.
FGL. Yeah, you're right, Baron. That because FGL is kind of in the same ballpark. I see a resume at 12:30 FGL. AMPA is going to be higher. AMPA, I'm seeing like a whole point higher, and that thing's gapping up. So that's good range. So I'm going to be watching that for the 10-minute halt. LRMR, guys, there's a hidden seller at 4. I mean, it cannot get over 4. Hidden seller at 4.
Okay. And they had news pre-market on FDA's breakthrough tag for neurological disorder therapy.
I know of some traders that could probably benefit from that.
Tapping directly into the trading market. So
What a battle.
NCI got a little bit of love at Bell, predictable guys. The question is it time to scale in shorts again, or are they going to continue to pump it? Predictable kind of Bell pump, but it's like, now what is the question? Does it follow through or does it roll over? Some more tea.
CDIO, guys, that one's looks like it might be getting the love, and LRMR's not getting it. CDIO on the ascending triangle break. Look, I mean, beautiful pattern here. 320 being the risk guide. CDIO getting to new highs right now. This was chart of the day that I posted over on TTP. This is really a good looking chart. I just don't take longs. I can't do it. Every time I've been like, okay, this is good, I'm gonna take the long, then it like immediately tanks. ANPA, oh my god, I'm seeing 1177 resume, Baron. All right, there's gonna be good. That's good range right there. ANPA 1177. I'm seeing resumption.
NCI big rejection, guys. Might
Oh,
halt down.
huge,
Big
huge
rejection.
rejection. Whoa, good call. Good call.
Might be halting down or just end times vibes here, guys. I mean, we've seen them manipulate it, but that was aggressive.
I'm gonna go ahead and
On
just in
halt
case.
watch.
Yeah, it halted.
Halt.
I took a baby position on it. Like
Okay, yeah, I was actually gonna scale it a little more if it halted, but that's fine. I got a couple hundred still.
it's not seeing a huge gap lower, probably. Just
Yeah, I'd imagine they wake it up and back to even like 620-ish. Honestly, with the nature of this name, it either dies or it wicks to 620 and churns and probably fades from there. I don't see it getting strength after that though.
God dang it, dude.
Red trap
Battle
close.
Battle's still been heavy. That was another good chart. I'm not going to get filled on that order. I'm just going to cancel it. AMPA 10-minute halt, 30 seconds remaining on AMPA.
Yeah, it's like false hope halt. It's like because nothing's really up much, so there's not much range still.
Dude, NCI is beautiful. Like it's beautiful if you zoom out a little bit. Yesterday was not beautiful. It's beautiful against like 6.5 if it's going to stay
For
heavy
big
against.
picture, sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I'm playing with it still. Like, yes, yesterday was absolutely disgusting, but it happened. I didn't get chopped up and all that shit. And now I'm here to trade it on the fade from here. So I traded after hours. I waited. I've made some
AMPA's
money
about to
after hours
open.
on it. And I overnighted a little bit, sweat free. My overnight stops, let a couple hundred shares sit and
Yeah, good
your
work
size
on
small
that.
enough you can do it.
AMPA 15-minute halt. It's gonna resume near $12. Dude, this thing is gonna squeeze. I think it's gonna squeeze higher. If look, this is educational purposes only. Uh,
What?
don't take this as trading advice for your personal trading accounts. Okay, now that that's out of the way, AMPA, dude, this thing's gonna come out of this halt, and traders are gonna. I think they're gonna run over here.
Yeah.
I think they're gonna, yeah, flock it. It could be wrong, but
I
I
want to
think
see
they're.
traders flee NCI and then go to $4. We got a gap to fill, 450. Yeah, 450 guys. Set it for
I
good.
Iova, good call, Crow. This is up on earnings right now. Good little dip and rip out of the gate on Iova. Yeah, good call there.
Okay. Yeah, it's waiting for something to reveal itself. FGL is the one that revealed itself. Okay, guys, we gotta lock in here.
Did it just open? What happened?
Halted higher again.
Oh, damn. Yeah, so that's what. God dang it. All
Are
right.
you long that?
No, I didn't
There?
trade it. Really didn't think I didn't think FGL was going to get that action. I thought it was going to be on AMPA, which still could be both. FGL. Okay, I see you, FGL. That's on such light volume.
Rich Sparkles, yeah. I mean, Rich Sparkles, it could go. So we'll be watching those.
It could be a random resume, and I really don't want to miss it. So I'm gonna kind of focus AMPA.
Adam, low key, guys, behaving well. Confirmed offering, been stocking it. I'm gonna add.
Okay. I'm gonna join you on this, I think.
I mean, I'm not heavy. I got 250 shares now. I'm just kind of slow scaling it, but I like how it's reacting. Right, like it's not acting like it wants to pump. It's like textbook bearish, really. It's just slower than we'd like, obviously, but it is bearish.
Adams, AMPA is gonna provide a pretty sweet opportunity here. I'm real
Yeah,
focused on
they
it.
could just ruin this thing. Like if they want to, they could just continue to haul this thing down to like $3. Like it's really not out of the picture, to be honest.
Yeah, NCI, we got about 40 seconds there. If 571 is what I'm seeing.
Yeah, like I mean, I would imagine they play with it, but if they want, man, I mean, look what they did yesterday. Who says they can't do that again today? From 8 to 340 in like a couple 5-minute candles, like 20 minutes, 30 minutes.
Let me see what they do with it, but then I'm reverting back to AMPA real quick.
Yeah.
NCI about to open up, guys.
Okay.
Within 10 seconds.
Yeah, I'm looking for a bigger picture there, so I might be looking to add. All right, we're open.
Yeah, we're
Lower.
going lower.
Yeah, they trapped the Bears or the Bulls.
It's kind of, man, it's nasty, dude. It's nasty. You can't oversize it.
No, for sure. Don't want to oversize it. The spread's ridiculous. Because they could still pump it up higher somehow. Like I expected a pump maybe to 620-ish, but if they pump it higher, then it's just like, yeah, gotta scale out, let it breathe.
I'm gonna set a stop, like, yeah, up towards in the 630s
Mm-hmm.
and refocus AMPA. AMPA 20 seconds, guys. Gonna resume over 1250. I'm seeing.
God.
If it opens too high, it might kill it.
Good
I
Lord.
know. I know. All right. 1260. That's 2 points. My goodness. Gravy. 13 I'm seeing now. Oh boy. It's party time. It's party time.
All right, so we got AMPA, we got TGL, got NCI, and Adam in the background. Adam's still not rolling over yet, so I'm just slow scaling it, but it did look good. We got a little bit of bullish reaction there.
What are we squeezing on NCI now?
Let's see. I mean, this chart was disgusting, so it could be. They could do a double fake, and then squeeze it back to 7 or 8.
FGL about to resume at 1470s, guys. 1470s. Okay, I'm going to look at FGL now. It's real low volume and sketch, so just careful with this. And I'm trying not to lose an eye on that one because I don't want to miss that open. 10 seconds on FGL, 1480s. It's ridiculous.
Dude. Yeah, so AMPA and FGL.
Nope, going into another one. Man, dude, come on, peeps. Market makers. NCI, I have a 630 stomp on that thing, so
Yeah, I have my stop scaled like mid sixes. So if they come back and take it all, then you know,
so be it.
what can you do? That's just yeah. That's the action we've been in, the market we've been in. But this is what exactly what I was predicting, a push to 6.2 and reject. So this is key, like right here, right now,
Mm-hmm. Yeah, good
because
prediction
it's
on that.
that middle level of that washout candle. So it wasn't out of the question for it to come back to here, but anything further, it does get sketchy. Mhm.
All right, LRMR guys, that hidden seller at 4 is just keeping her under. Iova's been pretty good. It's getting bought on a dip right now.
Trailing
And
daily drawdown. It's not trailing from what I understand, Charlie. If it was trailing, yes, certainly. Unless they changed it though, but the drawdown's static on the day. It has been at least.
yeah, I mentioned the trailing drawdown like for the profit side, and it got turned down. So, but I think a trailing drawdown as far as on the profit side goes is not a bad idea. Protect
Yeah,
your
that's
profit.
important. Like you have to only give back so much. So I told you, like for me, it's like once I hit a certain profit target, then I look at it like, okay, I'm only going to give a third back from here. It's like not my overall goal on the day, but like even like half of that, or maybe a little bit more than half of that. It's like once I hit that point, that's where I start enabling like a mental trailing give back, right?
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
I've been there and done that too many times, had big green days and blew up. It's like I can't do that anymore, dude. It just wrecks your psychology too much. It really does. So yeah.
You and Chat GPT have had some good conversations together. Over
Yeah, I
some
mean, it's the best journal. It's the best diary you could have for trading because it
over
like
some
it helps you back out and stuff. Because you're not just writing stuff on a piece of paper. You're like integrating and building. It's pretty cool.
yeah, I mean, the conversations I've had too with Chat GPT is like insane. The level of where
Yeah,
AI is like
yeah,
the
it's really cool.
all right, AMPA 30 seconds.
All right, FGL and AMPA. Just studying those, studying Atom and NCI guys.
NCI POS.
I know, dude. Like, what are we doing? Why are we still pumping?
FGL, I'm seeing a 16 resume, dude. Nuts. All right, we opened. We opened AMPA. Oh,
Okay.
it's halting down. It's halting down. NCI I stopped out of.
Yeah. It's just
AMPA, I'm a short AMPA.
yeah. What a junker, dude. Complete junker.
And then FGL is about to resume too at $16. $16 holla on FGL. See what she does.
Mm. So AMPA red sparkles.
I stopped out on NCI. It's so ridiculous, dude.
Yeah, this ticker, dude.
I'm done with
It's
it.
yeah, it's such a joke. It's like you just got to be small size and give it so much room if you're gonna play it. It's just
Oh
one of
my
those.
God, FGL opened. Higher, higher
Holy
she goes.
shit.
This thing is nuts. FGL. It's about to provide an insane opportunity here too. Oh my god, dude. This thing is whipping back and forth. Madness. Guys, small if trading this.
Wow.
The wild wiki west.
Down to my last dollar, my courage to the test.
I got nearly like a point spread.
Yeah, spreads are. Can be brutal.
Where's the LRMR towards 4? Nice, dude. Nice, Crow. ANPA's going to resume like around 11 or under. I'm seeing like some 10s and 11. We'll see. 11.
Man in the saddle, right. That price was climbing north again.
Who knows? AMPA now is a 1250 resume. That'd be crazy. Resume higher. LRMR up towards 4. FGL still in play. CDIO curling up a little bit.
Yeah, just kind of focusing on Atom, Sleepy Fade right now, and NCI. I mean, I stopped out most, just got a small floater there because I don't trust this thing. I don't know. Just annoying. Very junky price action and spread friction as well. So, but Atom's
GRAN,
starting to look
another.
better.
Okay.
Again, it's like, are we ready to break down? Like, it's just go ahead and roll over, guys. Like it feels like it's close to collapse. Yeah, FGL. If you caught that top, it was a nice top to catch.
GRAN, Grand just unhalted. That's a cheap play. GRAN, that unhalted.
Okay.
Kind of has some decent range on it. ANPA, this thing might resume here in just a little bit, dude. So I'm gonna have to focus on ANPA. It doesn't really look like we're getting a resume lower, so I'm probably gonna just take it off out of this.
Mm-hmm.
But GRAN, I'm monitoring that real carefully.
Say the trend is till the algos disagree.
Oh, we're going into another halt, guys, on ANPA. God dang it. Grand GRAN is FGL might provide a good opportunity too. ANPA may resume a decent amount lower if it's going into with this other halt with another 5-minute halt. Sometimes that's the case. IOVA real rejection, good profit taking guys that took that.
Mm-hmm.
GRAN higher, and then FGL fading. Look at this GRAN, bro. GRAN, this one's halting up. It looks like it's probably halting up. Oh my god. This thing is nuts. So
Damn.
yeah, this is where a lot of the small cap guys are going right now. GRAN. I'm sitting tight. I'd like to see this thing. first halt down kind of strategy.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I'm saying? Because look at what it did recently, where it moved to 6, big upper wick, like gave everything back a few weeks ago. GRAN. So that's something I'm looking for here.
Right. Yeah.
FGL is rolling over. So it's a kind of it's like a 50-cent spread there, but FGL is rolling over. And Grant looks like the algos are on her. She looks like the toy, guys.
Yeah, so we'll study that one now. Grand.
Halting down, FGL, halting down.
Rich Sparkle. FGL. Trying to get to that gap fill. There's a gap at 1180, and they're kind of one at 1050 too. NCI, that 666 level. That's where the top weight's at right now. God. And that stock is a devil's playground. That damn name. Phew. Manipulation, the accounts that blew yesterday on that name. 8 to
Yeah.
340 and then back up. Like, wow. Grand. What's it? Is it Halton? Or is that just a big block on that? On Grand. Oh. Little dip there. Big seller showed up on Grand, what it looked like.
Okay.
At
Monitoring this Grant.
377.
Yeah.
377, the seller showed up. See, he's back again.
They see what we see.
Seller at 3.7. See if they chew that up.
Oh man, there's several halts, dude. CDIO just went into a halt down. CDIO halt down. Oh my god, and a huge, like a really decent open lower. We have
Okay, they chewed through the buyers. Grand might be headed higher. Let's see. This is an interesting level here.
I gotta head over to TTP, guys, but
Oh shit. Okay.
we got a lot of plays. Yeah, we have another halt I haven't even gone over, PLSM. I'm monitoring Grand for this selling pressure down.
Okay.
Yeah, PLSM, nothing really there. Disregard. ANPA, I'm still with that one too, so I gotta monitor that carefully. But big seller showing up on Grand, bro.
Again, that's what I'm saying. Yeah.
Is he getting eaten up? Yeah, he got.
Again, or is it
Yeah,
actually selling off now? They're still there, kind of lurking. The sellers are. I'm gonna take a small stab just right here off that, like 3.8, 3.9 risk. Yeah, they're kind of walking it down though. But I
they're
don't trust
drawing
it.
in.
I don't trust it. I'm in
And
tiny. It's like do right or right out, like tiny risk.
ANPA's about to open up. 15 seconds on ANPA.
Adam is selling off a little more.
Oh my god. We got a huge resumption lower, bro. ANPA. Did you get it?
Oh yeah. I didn't. I didn't trust it. But this Adam sell off, I'm starting to lean into a little bit more. Grand, I'm right or right out, 3.8, 3.9 stop on the shorts, guys. It's where the seller showed up. It's 3.7 range, and they're still selling it. But it's sketchy. Yeah, I might just rip through right here. It's choppy. It's king of the day chop. So do with that what you will. Yeah, I'm stopped out. I was tiny size, just a feeler, see if that seller was actually true, because it did seem aggressive for a bit. But now that they've chewed that up, Let's see how it's going to react. If it's going to get, I mean, is this thing going to go multiple 100%?
Man, CDIO with that all down.
What is it even pumping on?
All right, guys, I'm gonna head over.
All right. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm heading over. I appreciate you guys. Head over to Trade the Pool. Keep the party going.
All right, man.
Thank you.